Hi guys, this little video short is going to be talking about replacing the rear main seal that seals the engine from the back end. And you can see I've taken off the aluminum journal. It requires a 7/16 12-point socket, so probably 3/8 drive is your best bet because it's going to have to be torqued back. This seal had a rope seal that you can see down in this hole, and it was fitting into a channel kind of like this one is here. It's a rope seal, and so what you used to do in the factory, we're going to be replacing that with something a lot better. So the way I got the rope seal out of the engine was I simply took a screw, screwed it into the end of the seal, and with a pair of pliers I pulled on it and I rotated the crank with it. And so that's going to get replaced by these better seals here, and you use a little shoehorn tool to install them. And this side's going to be easy to put that seal in, but they also have these side rope seals as well that we will replace with these newer ones. So that's the next step, and we will see you later.